Oh wow. We just jumped on the bus. We don't know where it goes.
No, and we haven't walked around yet. We don't know if it's free, but
We
we're
don't
just
even know.
trying.
Yeah, we don't even know if we meant to pay for this. We just sort of got on it, so we'll see where it takes us.
I'm excited.
Welcome to the Grove.
Welcome to the ground.
And they do also sell yoga clothing.
Cheesecake Factory.
Oh yeah.
On my right hand side, we do our Pacific Theater. Stop by to get yourself some reserved seating tickets.
Oh wow.
Sheriffs.
Sure.
We're now showing Spider-Man Far From Home.
That's nice.
Right across from our theater is our beautiful water fountain. Our water fountain does do a show every hour on the app.
It's really nice, Joel.
Doesn't it?
Juicery. That's what I was told.
Is that good?
Although we did have a nice smoothie this morning, so I don't
Yeah, we
really need
did.
juice,
Well,
but they
let's
are
have a
very
look.
nice.
Let's have a look. Go on then. Oh, don't look to your left. Look, there's pretzels.
Oh wow. Okay, when we were on the bus, there was this incredibly nice garlicky oil smell, and it smelled like an Italian restaurant. We've got no idea what the smell was.
No.
We'd love to go for dinner
We'd
wherever
love
that
to
smell was
find
coming
it.
from. Oh, this is the place that does the super healthy ice cream.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Free Sundays.
Yeah. Like literally, that's just vegetables.
Really?
Apparently so.
Well, I don't want that.
Oh, okay. No worries.
No, we can try. Look, ladere.
Oh, is that
Macaroons.
I say lodge.
Lodge. I don't know how you say it. It's French, isn't it?
I love that. I'm keeping
Ladere.
that. That's
Mina
safe.
says laudere, but I say ladere.
Let's go and find out for real.
Okay.
It's like honey cake on lettuce.
Doesn't it? All the macaroons.
Please have one raspberry, one boise, and one, what would you like?
The blackcurrant violet, please.
And one blackcurrant violet. That is all. Thank you very much. How do you pronounce the name of this place?
Oh. So did I get that right, or was it in a mixture? She did say la.
Yeah, she said
Ladoué.
and then she started counting the money in French, so she was legit French.
She was a legit French.
Either that, or she was a cracking American actress.
Right, should we try these?
Yeah, I can't believe I called it laundry. It's definitely not that. Like, that sounds like
That
laundry.
sounds like laundry, it does. Oh, here's some restaurant.
Right, Joel.
Right, let's go in the
dig
shade.
Right, I'm gonna hand. Oh, you've just had chewing gum. I hope it doesn't ruin it.
I know.
Okay, I'm gonna hand you this. So
Okay.
go for your violet.
Oh, there we go.
You go first.
Okay.
I hope it's good.
Mmm, it's soft.
Yeah, that means it's French.
Oh my gosh, that's really nice. Blackcurrant violet I've got.
Raspberry. That's the way they're meant to taste.
So I was saying to Leah I don't like macaroons, and then we had them on the flight, and they're actually really good. This is nice. That's nice. Nice little pre-dinner snack.
We've just walked into C. What is it called, Jolie? Oh yeah, C's Candies.
One of our viewers, Michael. Thanks, Michael. He sent me these.
Really?
They were so good. So I want to buy some more stuff while I'm here.
Oh, nice. What did you try already?
It was a mix. It was assorted
nice.
chocolate. So it was you didn't, and there was no menu. So when you ate it, you didn't know what you were getting.
No menu.
Really.
That is so exciting. Oh, like that, like a variety
Yeah, it was like one of those.
box. Milk chocolate, my favourite.
Yeah, it's so nice.
I hope there's a sample going. And a sample, don't we?
Yeah.
Raspberry cream. But it looks like a cigar. Joel, do you think that's chocolate or a cigar?
It must be chocolate.
Must be, otherwise, because they wouldn't put it by the till.
Sugar, cocoa butter. Yeah, it's a milk chocolate cigar.
That's
but
cool.
cigar.
C, like the brand. Joel splashed out.
Oh my gosh, guys, I went crazy. So I got the milk chocolate assortment box.
Yeah.
And then I got a truffle box as well. And then me and Leah got one of these each for tonight.
So excited.
So excited. I just got overwhelmed with the menus. Like, I really wanted to pick my own, but I would have been there for hours because I can't make decisions.
I'm quite indecisive with stuff like that as well.
I don't want to get it wrong.
Can't believe it's like 6 o'clock,
I know.
6:30.
It's 6:30.
It's really good. I'm glad we came out and decided to, you know, come and explore this area rather than staying in and
it's
chilling
so
in our
nice.
apartment.
It's the
so
first
nice.
like chilled evening out I think we've had.
Yeah. Like no pressure
really
to film
nice.
anything, even though we're vlogging, but it's not like we've got to go here and get this. It's just sort of chill.
Well, there are different things with filming. I think when we've got an idea for something, we're like, this top video title, Brits try this. It feels like work. Whereas when it's just whipping out the camera like this in a generic vlog, it doesn't feel like work.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, this is a bit of me. I love chicken so much. I want those. Leah's gone off somewhere. I want chicken.
Sorry, just seen Patsy's
It's alright.
pizza. My cousin's called Patsy, so I had to
Aww.
picture. What have you found?
No, I just saw amazing chicken burgers and I've just now seen coffee and donuts. Can we look at the hymn? Bob's Coffee and Donuts.
Wow. This is so retro.
Doesn't it? Wow. Look at all the donuts.
We've sat down for dinner at a place called
Is it Cafe Marmalade?
Cafe Marmalade.
Or just dinner at Marmalade?
Marmalade
Or
Cafe.
Marmalade.
I can see on that umbrella, Marmalade Cafe.
Fantastic.
It's so fancy.
We're having dinner at
The Grove. That's the title of this vlog. Dinner at the Grove.
Dinner at the Grove.
We were going to go and get some street food. I don't know if we vlogged around that street food area.
A little bit.
Tiny
We
bit.
finished with the donuts probably.
And we were like, what do we want? What do we want? We couldn't make up our
We
mind.
literally walked around like 2 or 3 times, like for ages, being like, what do we want? And neither of us could make up our mind, which isn't really like us, because normally one of us is like,
no, we are indecisive. And and then we had a discussion about how indecisiveness is not a trait of successful people.
No, and we're very
And then we made an instant decision to come to have a restaurant sit-down meal
Yeah, 'cause
rather
as soon
than
as
like
we're
street
forced
food. Yeah.
in an environment to order from this menu, it's easier and we can do that.
Too much choice. When you give people too much choice, they can't make decisions.
Yeah.
Give people this menu and they will make a choice.
Exactly.
Exactly.
And now the choice is, what do we eat for the menu?
Oh, we'll let you know.
So Leah's just gone inside to tell him that there is Prosecco on the menu. We order Prosecco.
Oh, we're getting ID'd for a drink.
Woohoo!
We're getting ID'd, baby!
Yay! We love it when that happens.
Because
It's so good.
basically, I said, look, I'd like to,
Yeah,
I'd
I was
like to buy a
explaining.
bottle of Prosecco,
Yeah.
but we don't know if it's going to taste nice, so can have a sample. He said, yeah. Let's just hope I brought my ID on me. Here we go, there's one. And another one coming up now. Yeah. 25 and 27. Thank you. That's alright.
Thanks.
It's obviously it can be starstruck when you see an
Obviously,
ID of
I was
a
just
legend.
explaining before you came
Yeah.
that we ordered Prosecco and he said they didn't have any, and we were like, we've definitely seen it on the menu. And then he couldn't find the drinks menu, so Leah went up and got it herself.
I was like,
Because we
this is
knew
the
where it
menu,
was, and we were like,
let's
it's over
start
there, but he didn't listen. So then she just went in to tell him, I've got the menu, there is Prosecco.
That was
It's a
embarrassing.
bit of a palaver.
There's famous YouTubers, there's everything here.
There's everything.
There's a lot.
We've
Got
seen
these
fake
legends.
celebs walking by that
yeah.
think they're celebrities, but they're not. They're just, you know, attractive people with
YouTube
lots of plastic
Central.
surgery.
Yeah.
It's great.
Tell the blog your feelings.
Guess what? They don't have Prosecco.
Thanks a lot,
Thanks a lot,
Rachel.
Marmalade.
Thanks a lot.
That's so annoying.
They
That's
said
the
they
only reason we
ordered it
came
and it
here.
hasn't arrived yet. That is, we
Ordered it,
looked and
hasn't
we
arrived.
looked.
Prosecco should be like the thing that you make sure you never run out of, honestly. In America, they don't seem to love Prosecco as much as us Brits.
Let me read some of the wine menu out.
Go on then.
Oh no, it just all sounds so devastating. Okay, listen to this. Cake Bread Cellars Chardonnay. Absolutely not. Corbel Brut Sparkling from California. Lively aromas of citrus and cinnamon. Flavours of orange, lime, vanilla and a hint of strawberry. Guarantee it would just taste like wine. Won't taste like any of those
it's
things.
just wine, isn't it?
An Italian, oh that was the Prosecco.
I think we definitely order from the sparkling white or rosé wines rather than red wines.
Bright with persistent bubbles. The wine, okay, maybe a bit of
Persistent
this.
bubbles. Who wants a persistent bubble?
That doesn't come by the glass, only by the bottle.
Oh, we're not doing that.
Can we
Oh,
risk
could
it?
do.
It might be gross.
Yeah, it could be
That's
gross.
the only problem. And then, a white Zinfandel. That's a guaranteed. I mean, I know it is probably the cheapest one on the menu at $8.99 a glass, but it is usually quite a winner.
Okay. Cheers, hon.
Cheers, hon.
Little life hack. This was $8.99 for one small bottle, but it's done 2 glasses.
Yeah.
That's nice.
That's all right, actually.
I like that.
Not too bad.
Very good. We can work with that.
We can work with that. Very sweet.
So I forced Leah to try the artichoke and spinach dip, and she was like, well, we haven't tried it yet, to be fair, but she was like, I wouldn't order this if it wasn't for you. But I recommend. Look, it looks amazing. This is huge. Look, this is the side of my hand. This plate is massive. Go on, give it a go. I mean, that dip does look slightly different to what I normally see.
It's just basically like cheese.
Yeah, and some veggies.
Okay. That's nice.
It's nice, isn't it?
Very
It's cheesy and creamy and
it's
nice. Yeah. Normally it's a bit more smooshed together when I've had it, but it's a bit different. Different guacamole, isn't it?
Yeah, we've been having guac every day. We say guac, but they say guac.
Well, it's guac, so it's guacamole.
Yeah.
But that's because they say guacamole.
Yeah, we say guac,
We
like
say
quack.
Guac, guac.
Food has arrived.
This looks really good.
This looks really nice and really different to stuff you normally order.
True.
So
and that looks very much like what you wanted tonight.
Yeah, that's
which
what
was
I
salmon
wanted.
and mashed potato. You love mashed potato. Did you know it came with that?
Yeah, I did. I was saying to Joel, I was like, I really want the vlog to be good, but I really want to go to the Cheesecake Factory again, and I don't want to make the vlogs all me at the Cheesecake Factory. And he was like, if you want to go Cheesecake Factory, we go Cheesecake Factory. Not I go there on my own.
No.
Like we go there.
And I'll go here.
But managed to find salmon on the menu somewhere else.
Let's hope it's as good as Cheesecake Factory.
It looks lovely. Obviously it's about half the size of that at the Cheesecake Factory, but it still looks delish.
I'm excited.
Let's dig in. What's the damage?
The damage is $70.03.
Well, I think it was worth it for that.
I think it was nice. At dinner at the Grove, what else do you expect?
Dinner at the Grove. What do you expect? What do you expect,
Bargain.
guys? Honestly, that drink hack was perfect. $9 for a half bottle, and then we got 2 glasses out of that.
Yeah.
So $4.50 each.
Whereas if we paid for 1 glass each of something else, it would have been $8.99. It would have been the same price, but we got 2 for 1.
Correct.
Hack.
Right, we're gonna close it out.
Leah said to him, he asked for the bill, and we don't say close out in the UK. And Leah was like, can we close
out?
I
was like, close down, close up,
down.
close in. I was like,
he
close
luckily finished the sentence
out.
as well.
Yeah, I just said, can we close? And I was thinking of the next word, and he knew what I wanted.
But I was saying that shut it down would be a more fun way to say. Like, can we shut it down?
Can we shut this computer down, please? There's a good song playing. Don't get me wrong about the door. Well, it's nearly 9 PM, guys.
It's time to go home, I'd say.
Absolutely, we've just been around Barnes and Noble. Joel got recognised by a viewer.
So I was just buying a copy of the Hollywood Reporter, and I think he might have been a hater or a one-off viewer, because he was just like, do you want a loyalty card? And I was like, no. And I was going to say, I don't live here. So I was like, I don't. He was like, yeah, I know you're not from here. I've watched your YouTube videos. And I was like, cool. Normally when you meet viewers, they want to talk to you, and they're like, but he didn't want to say anything else. And I was like,
yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
And that was it.
So that was an awkward
So I was like,
encounter.
maybe he was just someone who's watched our videos but isn't a legend. You know? But it's fine. It's always nice to meet people that watch our videos.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't meet them because I was on the loo and actually dropped my sunglasses in the loo. So I had to put my hand in. There was no stuff. It was just water in the loo, but still, it's a bit disgusting, isn't it? And then I had to wash my hands and the glasses. Anyway, what an eventful day.
Yeah, mixed day.
In the evening at the Grove. The dinner was lovely.
Yeah.
We absolutely love it here. We'll definitely come back here.
Yeah, it's so
really nice.
It's very nice. Where's the other place that we're visiting? Rodeo Drive. So we're going to go there maybe tomorrow or at some point before we leave.
We've got a few more places on the list.
Yeah, we have.
But yeah,
that's it.
If you enjoyed this vlog, guys, subscribe to our channel. We post videos thrice weekly,
twice on this channel, and once on our personals.
And that's all.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.